Hello, my name is Amit Pranjana and I am your Marketing and Sales Coordinator for Southwest Bindings. Today I'm going to be talking about our Fastback binding machine. It's our Fastback 20. It's a very user-friendly, easy-to-use binding machine that if you have multiple users within your company, this machine needs a little to no training. Let me show you how it works. So here's a little rundown of what these buttons do on the machine. You have your open and close section, which is here. You have your exit button, which is over here. You have your menu button, which is over here. And the green button over here is to go. So anytime you want to bind your books, you would press this button here. This is how you get into the menu. You click this button here and it brings you into the menu. Now you can go through the menu and pick different bind times. If your strip is a little off and if you want to adjust it, the micro adjustments are over here. And there's also videos as well. So if you have any sort of questions or concerns on how to bind your products, this section over here will tell you exactly what to do. So now if you want to bind your books, let's move on to the next section. Okay, so to bind your documents, you put your documents into the throat like so, and then just bring it towards the right hand side. Now you hit the green button. What it'll do is it'll clamp the pages together, and then you insert your strip. So now we want to insert our strip. All these strips have what's called a barcode system on it. The machine will actually read it and adjust the temperatures accordingly to bind your books. So the great thing about this machine is in terms of the different sizes that are available, you have your narrow, medium, and wide strips that are available for this machine. So now you have only 3 strips as opposed to a traditional binding machine, which you might need multiple strips. So now I'll insert the strip into the machine and you can see how everything gets bound. So your documents are completely bound. You take your documents and you put them into the cooling tray here and let it sit for about a minute before you open it. And that's it.